Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about motor 120VW/mount for Prince Castle part #87-029S. The motor 120VW/mount for Prince Castle part #87-029S is a replacement motor for Prince Castle food preparation equipment. It is a 120-volt, 1/20th horsepower motor with a mounting bracket. This motor is designed to replace the original motor in Prince Castle equipment such as slicers, toasters, and grills. It is made of durable materials and is designed to last for many years of use. The mounting bracket allows for easy installation and removal of the motor. This motor is an essential part of any commercial kitchen and will help keep your equipment running. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement motor for a Prince Castle toaster. It is designed to fix issues with the toaster not heating up properly or not working at all. Here is how you install this part. 1. Start by locating the mounting holes on the motor. 2. Secure the motor to the mounting surface using appropriate screws and anchors. 3. Connect the power supply to the motor using a 120V power cord. 4. Connect the wiring harness to the motor, making sure all connections are secure and tight. 5. Secure any excess wiring with cable ties or other appropriate fasteners. 6. Turn on the power supply and test the motor for proper operation. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.